Are you tired of dropped calls, dead zones, and weak signal at home? Whether you're on Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, or Sprint, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's check out the Amazboost Cell Phone Signal Booster, a powerful and FCC-approved device that boosts your 5G, 4G LTE, and even 3G networks. The Amazboost Signal Booster Kit is designed for home use, improving call quality, faster data speeds, and reducing dropped connections, even in remote areas. Supports all US carriers, compatible with 5G, 4G LTE, 3G, FCC certified for safe use, covers up to 2,500 square feet. You get the booster unit, an outdoor directional antenna, indoor panel antenna, cables, and a clear instruction manual. The outdoor antenna captures the existing weak signal from a cell tower nearby. It sends that signal to the booster inside your home. Then the indoor antenna redistributes the stronger signal throughout your space. You'll notice better bars, faster uploads/downloads, and fewer missed calls. If you live in a rural area, a basement apartment, or just constantly suffer from poor signal indoors, this device is a game changer. Thousands of users are already experiencing stronger, more reliable service. Installation is simple. Just place the outdoor antenna high up, like your roof or balcony, and point it towards the nearest cell tower, then connect it to the indoor booster and mount your indoor antenna for full coverage. If you're tired of weak signal at home, the Amazboost Cell Phone Booster is 100% worth checking out. Grab yours from the link in the description below. It supports all major US carriers and helps you stay connected no matter where you are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.